Hi everybody, Shihan Chris Casamassa here again with today's training tip on how to make yourself look like a black belt when you're in class. And that is the wearing of your uniform. Now the pants are pretty straightforward when you put them on. Sometimes the students will get a little confused with the uniform top. And to make it very simple, the uniform top is built to go left side over right. And we call that heart over chest. So the right side comes on the inside, the left side goes over. Most of our new student uniforms have ties on the side, and those are optional. And you'll notice that mine, I have cut my ties off. I don't use them. My belt keeps my uniform top together, but it's personal preference. If you want, you just tie a little bow on the left side, a little bow on the right side. They come on every Red Dragon uniform. Once you have heart over chest, then it's a matter of putting your belt on properly, which we've covered in a couple other videos already. But getting that double wrap belt around without it touching the ground is one of the secrets of training at Red Dragon and making yourself look like a black belt from your toes to your nose. So that covers your uniform wearing for the day. Left over right, heart over chest. I'm Shihan Chris Casamassa, and I'll see you all very soon.